Another massive shout out to GreenWorks. This is their new chainsaw. So we've come across this branch, it's on the access road. We just thought we'd clean it up and then move it off so it's not a hazard. So that was 100% on the battery. So what do we got now? So I got 92%. So just from doing those cuts, I've used 8% of the battery.
Yeah, it's got some power for an electric saw. Yeah, it goes pretty hard actually, pretty surprised. Bloody beautiful. It went pretty hard actually. Surprised. Great work.
Oh yeah, this is a battery saw. The torque on this is, I was surprised. Yeah, I'm blown away by the saw actually. Yeah, it's a bloody good saw. This.
I want to have a rip on it, eh?
Yeah. What's the battery say on that, brother?
The battery is at 29%, bro.
Oi, my man. All right. Keep going, bro, till she goes flat, and then I'll just put in a another battery.
She gone. Oh, there you go.
That's it there. Hey, so this is how you refuel the battery chainsaw. Ready to rock and roll. And also another shout out to my guy Sean Kelly from Ilveston Mowers and Chainsaws. So much, hooked me up this wicked shirt, knows my style, off the hook. Go down and see him. They're in Tasmania, and honestly, man, what an amazing guy. Cheers, brother. Thank you very much. It's staying sharp for a long time as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the battery at?
58%.
58%?
Yeah.
Beautiful, mate.
Cheers, brother. Thank you very much. Fucking not bad, man. Makes you really happy with that, eh? It's a fucking brilliant saw. Like, I'm not just saying that either. Like, this is a fucking good saw. That's fucking awesome. Like, you know, if you're doing stuff around the house and you obviously you don't want to be starting up a fucking two-stroke, this here is perfect. You know, obviously you wouldn't go cutting down massive trees and then expect batteries to last for, you know, for an 8x5 trailer and do firewooding. This is not what this is designed for, you know. But stuff around, you know, like basic stuff around the farm or around the house, man, this thing here for like commercial use in like suburbia where there's lots of people around, you know, Man, this is perfect. It has the torque. You know, it's just a brilliant saw. It is. Like I actually highly rate this, and yeah, so this will be with me for a fair while. So yeah, thanks very much, Jim. GreenWorks Commercial. Go check out their Facebook, man. They've got a whole wide range of tools and accessories, and I think they've got like goat carts and lawnmowers and things like that. So yeah, they're all awesome. GreenWorks Australia, go and check them out. I'll put some links in the description below of where you can find them. But yeah, Jim, thanks very much, man. That's honestly bloody brilliant saw. Cheers, guys. Catch ya.